My research always begins with books. I like to look at silhouettes in the pictures and colors from paintings of the period. Now, because this is a Disney musical, we have some iconic references in our heads, and I have to honor those by researching the film. After I'm satisfied with the basics of the period, I immediately turn to Pinterest and I just start pinning lots of different images that inspire me. And as for a regional influence, of course, obviously Great Britain influenced the explorers and Jane's costumes, but I got a lot of inspiration from West African tribal clothing. I instantly go to color when I'm thinking of design. With this show, it wasn't very hard to find images that spoke to me between the vibrant colors of the jungle and the tribal where I was researching. I immediately started kind of having ideas and finding images that gave me inspiration. The gorillas have definitely been a big challenge throughout this process. I looked at a lot of pictures of gorillas and watched them move for weeks. While the gorillas have caused many late nights of drawing and rethinking, the biggest challenge in Tarzan has actually been the floral creatures and waiting for this moment. They could go so many different directions, and it was really a collaborative effort to figure out where they needed to go. I actually did 2 full sets of renderings to show our director, Kenny Beck, because I couldn't decide which way I thought they should go. So he gave me some ideas, and then I drew them out so he could kind of point me in the right direction. But I think the audience is going to have a lot of fun with this scene, and will really enjoy all the bright colors. So what we have here is the start of our gorilla pants. As you can see, this is one panel here of one side of the leg. So far, the pants are taking about 6 hours. First, we have to cut the individual piece out, and then cut all these individual rows for the fringing, and then, of course, individually fringe each piece with a rotary cutter. And then I take them in the back and I dye them. So I started with a ombre gray, which you can kind of see better in this one, dip. So it takes about probably 20 minutes to dye each leg. And so I dyed it with the gray first, and then I actually dipped the bottom with black, and you can kind of see that it's turning a little blue, which will change once we start to spray it. So yeah, 6 hours for each pant, and then we still have to cut out and make all the tops, and we have 18 total gorillas, so you can kind of see how much work that's going to take and how much time.